about downloading an influencer's profile. So simply head over to the Discover section. Choose the influencer you would like to download the profile of. Make sure that that profile has been analyzed. If it hasn't, you can do so. And within a couple of seconds, the profile is then analyzed and you can see the download button is now available. When you click the download button, you have two options. You can either have the influencer feeds in the report or not. Clicking yes brings up the download file dialog box, and within a couple of seconds, the download is complete and ready for you to view all of the audience statistics and engagement data.